Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Wizard101. So, currently, we're doing the King Borr Tier 4 dungeon. First thing you want to do, at least the easiest way, is to first find someone who's death or be death. Then you want the goal spell, so that it will charm his minion. So, you want to have Ward Protect and others. Occasionally there's a bug though, when you're doing it, where it will just cancel it. Make sure you pack extra feints so that you can one-shot, because occasionally a bug where it won't one-shot, so you have to make sure, because I'm going to be hitting on like the 4th round right after he does the charm spell. So it will switch the thing to him, and hopefully all the damage will go through and kill it. Occasionally you will have to restart and do more and more of them. But yeah, you can get the Hammer of Thor, the Rat Tap spell. There's several, like 2 different Raven mounts and Celestial Bauer. I'll have pictures up on the screen for you. And this is a gold key dungeon in Vigilheim, and can't look at map. This is how you get to the place in the skeleton key dungeon, and it's right over there. So right here, side road past. Warded all of my things to make sure if he does any like surprise earthquakes that it won't matter. He's charmed him currently so that he won't be protecting him, and it will switch to protecting the death person. So then I quickly hit the very same round so that occasionally he will take off stuff, which then you'll have to reset the dungeon and do it again. Do not leave the dungeon completely so that we can still continue. Boost, and yep, 36,000, easy kill.
Avenge me!
So then you just have to take out his side minion, and that should be. Otherwise, you can get it from Avalon inside one of the dungeons. So I think it's pretty cool. So I'll do another of my spellments and show you. So you'll be able to get 3 different spells. You can get the Grundle myth spell, the Hammer of Thor spell, and the Ratataspin thing. So yeah. And in the Mushu dungeon you can get Gump Monk, Catch of the Day, Ice Elemental, Apocalypse, Ninja Pigs, and Monk of Morning, and Samurai.